Welcome back. So, this is part 2 of me launching my new SaaS company. If you haven't watched the last video, you can go ahead and search for a SaaS company or my SaaS company playlist on this channel. You can go ahead and see all of the other videos that are in there as of watching this. Right now, this is part 2. In the last part, if you haven't watched it, we went through a new marketing strategy on how I'm going to release this app and what I plan on doing to bring on more clients and customers. At the moment, it's just an SMS marketing app that automates campaigns for clients through my web application. So in this video, I'm going to take you through what the app actually looks like inside, and then towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you the results so far of my automated marketing outreach strategy, which we set up in the last video. And for those of you who want to know what that is, it's using LinkedIn automated messaging with a bit of a twist and using a lot more sales tactics to try and get people using this app. So if you want to see that, stay until the end and I'll take you through all of the details. So let's have a look at what the app looks like inside when you log in. Okay, so if you come onto, you can always sign up whenever you want, guys. All you do is click here, sign up. You want to follow through the information, and then you'll receive an email from our team organising a call with you. So, or there will be an option that allows you to book a call. So we're going to show you what the app looks like. So I'm going to come to sign in here. It'll take us to the dashboard. So this is an example dashboard at the moment. Your dashboard would look very similar just without any numbers on it to start off with. And what this does is it shows you the revenue generated from Nudge. Nudge, like I said, is an SMS marketing tool that automates your outreach. Sorry, it automates your SMS marketing campaigns. So you can integrate it directly with Shopify. If you come, I'm not going to show this information because I don't want to share this store's API key, but you can come to integrate and you can integrate your Shopify store directly with Nudge. And then obviously you can pull in all of your orders. It will track the number of texts you've sent, the cost of your text. And by the way, if you are interested, it's 0.05 cents per text if you've got over 2,000 customers in your list. Less than that, I think it's 10 cents per text. Now, the reason for that is we have our own SMS marketing campaigns pre-built for you, so you can request copy if you haven't got any when you sign up. But when you sign up, you should see a list of SMS copy that we have custom tailored to you. That copy you can then choose, and our app will go ahead and automatically send out those campaigns for you. Just to give you an idea of how that works, you can come to the campaign section, and most of our clients and most of our customers don't have any hands-on at all. We just run it for them completely exclusively. So we can upload your sync your customer lists directly from your Shopify store. But what we actually choose to do with most of our clients is actually upload a CSV template, just because the API on Shopify limits the number of numbers that we can pull. So we can actually upload more phone numbers through this method here. Once we do that, we then manage your campaigns, and you can see here we put in your website URL. So usually this will be the product that you're promoting, and then we obviously use the copy that we've designed, and we've got people in our team, copywriters, who have actually spent or made multiple six figures, some of them even seven figures, from email and SMS marketing. So that's how we do it. And you can always come in and you can see the campaigns that have been sent out, and it'll show you the campaigns, the text cost, the number of texts you sent, the number of orders, and the revenue generated from each campaign. So that's how the app works. If you are interested, go ahead and sign up. It's completely free to sign up. And like I say, you'll have to add your card details, obviously, so you can pay, it's 5 cents per text. And you can add money to your balance. It's very, very simple. So that's the app. Now, in the last video, I went through how I'm going to be using Sales Navigator and LinkedIn to reach out to people and reach out to clients to try and make more money for this company and how to bring people on board. So if you remember, we spoke about WeConnect.io. This is the app that I've been using, and I'll take you through the results so far. So in the last video, we built a list, and that list is based off people who are within a LinkedIn group. So these are people who are already in the correct audience that we're looking for. They're already motivated people. They're already talking about all of the stuff that we're looking for. And all we're doing is we're reaching out to them with a certain message. So if we come to campaigns here, you can see this is the campaign that I've built. And so far, it's going really well. I've reached out to 77 people so far. I've connected with 5 of them, and I've already had 3 replies. And that's before any of the follow-up processes have actually initiated. I don't know if I can actually come in and show you the exact messages that are going out. Let me try if I click on that. No. sequences maybe. Okay, so this is how it works. In the first message we send out, and I'll take you through the results in just a second. Basically, it's a very short introduction. I noticed you're into e-commerce. I wanted to cut through the noise on LinkedIn and see if there's a mutual benefit in us connecting. Asking them what they do, saying I've been in e-com for years. I've just launched a new SaaS company in this space. Let me know if you want to know more. Then 2 days later, or a day later, 2 days later, I sent them another message saying, is business going well? Thought that this would interest you, so here's a bit more about my SaaS, a link to the app that automates SMS marketing campaigns for e-commerce brands. I got tired of seeing people waste money on SMS agencies, so this app does it all on autopilot. Most customers get a 9x ROI from SMS. It's crazy. Are you running SMS marketing campaigns? And this is all correct data. This is data that we've got from within the company. And then I've linked a quick Loom video walking through of the app. If you want to take a look, might be something you'd be interested in. Video link, and then if you wanted to sign up, visit the website and follow the sign up process, then we'll email you with more info. Now, this I think I'm going to do some tweaking, and I'll show you why, because of the replies that I'm getting so far. And then 5 days later, there's a final follow up saying, hey, sorry, been a few days since I've been LinkedIn, crazy week, just been skiing. As of writing this, I'm going skiing tomorrow, so some of it has some relevance. And then, did you get a chance to check out Nudge and sign up? It's free to sign up. Would love to help you out. Do you think there's a mutual benefit working together? So as you can see, what I'm doing here is building a bit of rapport with the person to start off with, getting to know them. It's very chatty. And one thing people fail a lot with LinkedIn automated outreach is they come in too salesy, too much of a pitch right off the offset. All we're trying to do here is get a conversation started. If you remember in our last video, we went through one of the old campaigns I sent, we were getting about a 0.5% reply rate, very, very low reply rate. With this, we're getting already a much greater reply rate. And more importantly, the replies that we are getting are positive responses. Now remember, we can send up to 150 connections per day. Even if only one of those people or two of those people per day respond saying they're interested, the average order value generated for this SaaS company for each client is immense. And the amount of work that we can do them and the amount of money that we can make them is huge. So we don't need that many people to be using the app for this to become a viable business. And then obviously you can see in the second message where we're sending them, we're basically following up as if we were following up in real life without actually seeming like we're coming through an automated strategy or an automated program. Now, the issue is obviously if someone replies to our message and we reply to them, this automated message is also going to go out to them. But that being said, we go through, we give them a bit more information about the app, we explain the results, how well it is, how good it is for people, and then there's a Loom video. Now, this Loom video is very important, and I will quickly open up this Loom video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now, this is only a 2-minute Loom video. You can see here, this is me, this is the app, this is just me talking about it. Let me just pause it really quickly. I'll click play. And you can see here, I just talk them through the app. And it's only 2 minutes. You can go ahead and, actually, maybe you can't. If you want to go ahead and copy this link, you can always go ahead and watch it. But basically, all I do is walk them through the app, much like I just did at the beginning of this video. It's a 2-minute walkthrough. It's very simple, and it shows them all the details about the app. So, how are things going? Well, first of all, where are we? We've done that. So if we come to LinkedIn here, we can see the messages that I'm receiving from people. And I started this probably a few hours ago. So far, you can see here, these are the messages I'm sending out. So that's an old test that I did. Connected with this person. She hasn't read it, but she has connected with me. This person I sent a message to, excuse me. I said, hi, Alicia, we should talk. I noticed you're into e-commerce, blah, 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 blah. You've read the message before. And she came back saying, hi, Seb, please let me know more about your SaaS company. We'd love to see if it's a good fit. Already, instantly, I have got a response from this person saying, you know, we want to talk to you. We want to get to know you. We want to see if this is something we would use for our company or for our clients. You know, we're not sure what their company is yet, but it's a positive response. And this is already some great news. So let's have a look at this next message. Again, that's another connection. And then there's this one. This one's quite an interesting one. So I sent the same message and Liz responded with, hi, Sebastian. I work for Nielsen Investment Fund. We're always on the hunt for interesting tech partners. It would be great to hear more about what you do. Now, this is exactly what we're looking for as a company down the line. We're looking for investors to grow our company. That's people who have experience in SaaS space. I don't have much experience myself. This is my first SaaS company I've launched. I've launched other apps in the past, but never in this way. And we're looking for people to come on board and invest, give us money to help us grow and develop, and also people who have good connections to help us bring on new customers for our app. So this is crazy. This is just someone from within one of the LinkedIn groups, and she's already interested. I haven't even sent her the link to the app. I haven't even explained what the app does in much detail. I've just said I've launched a new SaaS company. I've just started speaking to her, and because it comes across as a more of a conversation, she's much more willing to respond to me, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for open rates and reply rates. That's the two main conversion factors we're looking for at the moment. And you can see I just responded with, "That's great. We're actually looking for investors at the moment. I'd love to chat some more." The new company is a SaaS app designed to help e-com brand owners scale their revenue through SMS marketing. We are early in our development stage and only beginning to bring on our first customers. We charge 5 cents per SMS, making our money on each SMS the customers send. Typically list to 2,000 plus with 6 campaigns per month. Everything is handled by my SaaS, and eventually I'm looking to add automations for extra functionality. If you're interested, the website is this. So at this point, all I'm doing is I'm talking her through what the app is. Because she's an investment fund, I'm also giving her a bit of an idea of the money that can be made from this app. People are going to invest in this app for 2 reasons. 1, I have a huge existing customer base and it's proven to make money. Or 2, the numbers work out in a way that means I'm going to make them a lot of money if they do invest. And that's what I'm doing here is I'm giving them an idea of what it is my app does and how my app can help them, and why would they want to invest. These are all numbers of things that are going to intrigue her, hopefully. She may read this message and I may be too forward and she may never come back to me, but you won't know if you don't try. So I've then obviously linked her to the website as well. So these are the results so far, and this is only in the first few hours. You can see here, if we come back onto campaigns, it's only processed 78 people. I started this, if we can come onto the overview, today, you can see January the 31st. It is currently January the 31st. So I started this today, and I've already connected with 5 people, and I've had 2 responses so far. So you can see that this is a very powerful way of getting people involved, getting people interested in your app. So if you have an app that you're looking to get started, you can always... what I'll do is in the next couple of videos, I don't have time now, but I will create a Google Doc or something where you guys can go ahead and download the messages that I am sending to people at the moment. You can use those exact messages. You can change them in whichever way you want. It'll probably be a Google Doc link. So if it is in the description, you can go ahead and click that. And while you're down there in the description, make sure you click on the join the Discord. And this is just a quick breakdown for you. This is my Discord. You can't see it, can you? Well, I've got a Discord channel, and you can go ahead and join that. If you're into e-commerce, there's a channel there. I'm hoping to build a community of people who are interested in e-commerce. And if you're coming from this video where it's talking about SaaS or anything like that, there's also a SaaS Discord channel in there as well. So you can go ahead, meet new people. I'm looking to build a community. You can follow along in much more detail of what it is that I'm doing within the app and my results. And if you've got any questions, you can always ask me in there. It's a great way for us all to connect. So if you're interested, go ahead, join my Discord, and also follow me on Instagram. All right, I'll see you in the next video.